InfoWars noted that I support property rights. Absolutely, I support property rights, and I have an innovative plan to add property rights to the Charter of Rights and Freedoms. Pierre Trudeau left property rights out of the Charter as the price of support from the NDP. So as a result, we lost a centuries-old, generations-old right to have protection from government affecting the use of our property. Now, my plan will challenge provincial governments to, and invite provincial governments to pass a motion in their chamber, and then when the federal parliament passes the exact same motion, those property rights can be inserted into the Charter. It's a bilateral amending formula that does not open up the Constitution. It will not lead to a renewed kind of Meech Lake, Charlottetown approach. It's just when we have a dance partner, when we have a willing provincial government who will work with us, we can add these rights in province by province. And I am convinced that once one or two of these provinces do it, it'll have a cascade effect, because residents in Ontario will not be able to stand the fact that people in Saskatchewan and Alberta have these rights and they don't. So I believe it'll happen slowly but then escalate very quickly. And the reason why this is so important is it's not just when the government expropriates land that property owners are affected. When government expropriates land for a public work, widening a highway or building a road, then yes, there's eminent domain laws that require compensation to the property owner. But where my property right plan really benefits property owners is when municipalities, when cities, when provinces change bylaws or change provincial laws that prevent people from using the land that they were, or using the property the way that they had been. Right now they have no protection. So for example, if somebody wants to develop a property and there's some environmental reason why development shouldn't proceed, right now that developer or that property owner doesn't have any ability to get compensated for the fact that the government has now made it impossible for the land to be developed. Or if a farmer has an agricultural operation that suddenly a rural municipality changes the bylaws to make part of what he or she does illegal now, that property owner has no recourse to get compensated. So my plan will still allow municipalities and provinces to have these types of rules and protect the environment, but when they change something, when they change a rule or a bylaw or a regulation, it'll ensure that property owners have the ability to be compensated. So I think that's an important